I dropped the keys. It's Vlogmas day 2. It was like something was under my nails, but whatever. The fact that I'm re-recording this because my camera had a glare, it's pissing me off. But hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas day 2. And I still feel like there's a glare, so I think I'm just gonna post the first one. Whatever. On today's to-do list, we're gonna go get my eyebrows done. They're actually not that bad, but we're gonna get them done anyway. And then I wanted to get my nails done. They could be done. They could be better. But I wanted to get my nails done, but it's a Saturday afternoon, so you know how that kind of go. And then to the mall we go. I think I'm gonna hit the mall first though, because the nail salon I have you there for hours, child. And yeah, so I'm gonna hit the mall. Do I look different? Do I look different? Get my eyebrows done, y'all. Cute. But I didn't do any makeup on my forehead. And I'm gonna go to the mall, which is, it's just the mall, but I am gonna put a little bit of foundation on my forehead real quick. You're still talking about babies, and I'm still taking a Plan B. It's so embarrassing. No, really. It is. Living inside of me, I can't see. It's so embarrassing. Not really. She left a little wax on my face, child. Me and her gonna get into it. Just casually look at my face. Mind your business. But she gonna tell me, y'all, this lady is hilarious. She tells me, she tells me I'm gonna be out of the country for a month. So you come back on December 11th, and then I won't be back until January 14th. And don't let nobody mess your eyebrows up. Like, what? At least you know, because to be honest, I ain't gonna cap. The one time that I did cheat on her, when I went to another place, they cut, like, they did my eyebrows like this. Like, and it was for my birthday. I was so mad. I was so ready to cry. Like, imagine, like, your whole tail gone. Nothing. Pissed. Immediately. Yeah, I have yet to eat. I'm trying to see if I want some Chick-fil-A, or should I wait till like I'm by the mall to get some Chick-fil-A, because I have yet to eat today. I didn't eat. Starbucks ain't packed. I'm excited.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hey, can I have a venti peach green tea?
You want this peach green tea or do you want a peach green tea lemonade?
Peach green tea, but then we add 3 stevias? And then can I have a ham? I'm sorry,
what size is this?
a venti.
Okay, you said a ham. Which one?
And a ham and Swiss croissant.
I'm sorry, we're all out of those today.
Yikes. Do you have? That's fine. That's all.
Okay, so it's gonna be 516.
All right. That makes me sad. because that's my favorite sandwich. So I guess we are going to Chick-fil-A later because I don't want anything else. So it is what it is.
Here you go. We'll take this, dog.
Thank you. Yes, please. Appreciate it. You have a good day. Well, 40 days and 40 nights later, finally parked. I'm irritated now at this point. So I'm gonna go in here and try to find some pink shoes. We'll see. We're gonna see what happens. I actually really like these, but I wanted to go for a pink look, but it might be giving Red Ruby the sleeves, baby. I bought them. Y'all said it was ugly. Well, I was on the phone. Somebody told me that they were ugly, but I bought them anyway because I don't care. I don't know. Y'all done made me mad to my shoes ugly. I never said I was the best dressed, babe. Never claimed to be the best dressed. I got by because I'm cute. I'm cute. Child, I wear sets. But yeah. Hello. Chastity. Well, I done finally secured the package. Mom, I got a cup in here. You guys go, babe. I'm a beverage girly. I feel like I want to pull over and eat. But in the same breath, I kind of got to use the bathroom. That's why I kind of want to go home. How long is it going to take to get home? That's the real question. 22 minutes. Yeah. I'm going to eat while I drive. Nah, I think I don't know what I'm going to do, y'all. Either way, chat later. I'm going to try the shoes on for y'all. Because I want to see them on me because I didn't try them on in the store. I just didn't. Okay, so at this point, I'm irritated, but I'm tired, so I need a nap. Why? The shoes too little. So I gotta go back to the store tomorrow. Because I'm not going today. My mama going anyway, and I got her. She got her card, and yeah. But they're too little. They're cute though. I mean, my mama put them on. She is size smaller than me, and she said it fit her very well. So size up it is. But golly, they had a lot of them in the store. So hopefully, I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and go straight there. And then there's that. I don't know if I'm doing anything else today. Probably gonna take a nap, put these videos together, and call it a day. Well, I'm back. Leave it to me to always do something, child. Back to the mall we go. Finna exchange these for a size 9. I don't even wear a size 9, but I guess. You got games on your phone? But no. I got a 9. And now I'm going back about my business. Oh, there we go.